Hello class, welcome to the introduction video. My name is Shadi Sadat Qaderi. I'm the instructor for your course, for your algebra course this semester. I'm glad that we are going to work together this semester. In this video, I'm going to go over the syllabus, talk about the course, and also show you the course page so that you can navigate the course easily and you can find your way around the course. So without further ado, I'm gonna share my screen with you. So this is the this is your course on Blackboard. So as you know, this course is fully online. We don't have any in-person meeting, and this is a synchronous course, which means that you just go to Blackboard and then you click on college algebra and trigonometry math 120 section 2. Once you click on that link, then you will be directed into this page. So as you can see, the first item is announcement. Every week I will communicate with you guys and send announcement here, so you can find the announcement here, and you will receive an email in your Gottman email as well. The next item is content modules, and every week I will post one module. So once you click on content module, you can access the material for the week, all the materials and all the assignments and activity for that week. The next item is syllabus, which is the first one. I'm gonna go over it in details. And so I'm going to go back to the syllabus later to go over the detail of syllabus. Just to show you, the next item is discussion. On discussion board, you have a space to post your question and comments. So if you have any question, any general question or a specific question, you can post it here. I'll get back to you guys. And also you have your first activity, which is the introduction. You will need to introduce yourself in few words here. Here is the instruction by Wednesday. And finally, the next item is my grades. You can, once you complete assignments, homework, exams, project, you can find your grades here. The next item is email Professor Qaderi, in which if you click on that, then you can just, let's say, for example, you have a question. So you say question, and then you can type your message here, whatever is your message. And if you need to attach a file, you can click here and browse your computer to attach a file, and then you click submit. Then I will receive your email. So that's a quick and easy way for you to communicate with me and send your emails. There are more items here. It's just for your if you need additional support. So the first item I would like to go over it in detail is syllabus. If you would like to download the syllabus of the course, here is the Word document. So you can click on this hyperlink syllabus. Then I'm going to open it now. So then you can open it and open the Word document, and in this way you can save it if you want in your laptop or anywhere that you like. You can store it. So this is the full syllabus of the course. And also, I also put some important information in this part of the website as well. This is not the full syllabus. It's just some part of the syllabus that I thought it's important. So maybe we start with this important information, and then I'll go back to the Word document to go over all the details. So first of all, the name of the course is Math 120, College Algebra and Trigonometry. We are going to learn this in spring 2021, which is this summer session. My name is, you have my name here, Dr. Shadi Sadat Qaderi. Office hours are on Wednesday, every week on Wednesday at 1 to 2 with an appointment in a Starfish. So you can go to Starfish, make an appointment with me, And then I will post. I just forgot to post the office hour link here. I'm gonna do that after recording this video. I'm gonna make the office hours available to you as well. And then you can click on the link, click on a Zoom link, and join a Zoom in order to meet with me. If Wednesday doesn't work for you, if you would like to meet with me on another day or another time, just send me an email and tell me your availability or the time that works for you that you want to meet with me. Then we can work around it and find the time that works for both of us. And here is my email address and the course website. So the course format is that we are doing one module every week. And what do we mean by week? Each week for our course begins on a Monday and will end on a Sunday. And every week you will complete one module. So for example, the first week is gonna start on Monday, June 21st. So for example, when you go to content modules, you can find the first module. We are going to complete the first module during the first week. From Monday, the module is from Monday, June 21st, and it's gonna end on Sunday, June 27th. When you click on this link, you can see all the contents for the module, all the reading materials, activities, homework assignment, everything for that week. So anything that you need, all the course material that you need for that week, you can find it in the first module, in the module. And the deadline is, I'm gonna talk about the deadline, but basically all the homework assignment is due the end of the week, which is gonna be due Sunday midnight. Okay, so let's go back to syllabus. So that's the course format. The course format is that it's module based. Every module will be released on Monday and it will end on Sunday. So there are two important deadlines every week that you need to, there are weekly deadlines that you need to follow. Every Wednesday at midnight, by Wednesday at midnight, you need to complete the first Desmos activity. I'm going to show you the first one actually in this video. And by Sunday midnight, you need to complete all the homework assignment. So that's the hard deadline. And remember that I'm going to release all the materials from reading materials to homework assignment on a Monday. Everything is, all the assignments are due Sunday midnight. So that means you have one full week in order to work on these activities and assignments at your pace. But please do not procrastinate and leave everything for the last minute. Plan ahead because there are many homework assignments and activity every week. So plan ahead so that you have enough time in order to understand the lessons and complete the activities. So grading in this course is that it's 10% participation, 25% homework. There is a midterm exam, a final exam, each worth 25%, and a final project, 15%. So what is participation? Because this is an online course and this is an asynchronous course, which means that we would not have any live session. We would not have any synchronous session. Everything will be released on a Monday, and you can work on the course materials at your pace. So that means sorry for the interruption. Okay, so we were talking about the grading, and the grading is based on participation, homework, midterm exam, final exam, and project. So now let's go over of each one of these course expectation. So what do we mean by participation? Because this is not a face-to-face class. So how can students demonstrate participation? So every week, you will be asked to complete two to three Desmos activities. And these are online activities. There will be a link that you can click on that link in order to access the activity. You complete the activity, and with the completion, you are showing your participation with an engagement with the course. And this is not, the grade is not based on correctness. So you are not expected to answer all the questions in the activity correctly. You are expected to try the problems, show your participation with the activity, and actually those activities are going to help you to understand the concept. Each activity also has a corresponding homework assignment. Make sure you first do the activity, Desmos activity, and then do the homework assignment. So for example, I'm going to show you the first one. Once you click on content modules, then you can access the module 1. So as you can see, module 1 has 6 sections. Roughly, we cover 5 to 6 sections every week. And so once you click on section, for example, section 1 that has no activity. It's just, it gives you access to the first, the reading. So this is the first section of chapter 1, right? So you can read your textbook and read the examples, and you try a couple of similar problems in order to understand the section. Once you understand the section, then you can click on the homework assignment and do the homework assignment. So these are homework assignment. So the first section doesn't have activity. The second section is similar, which means that it has a link to the textbook. When you click on that, you will be directed to section 1.2, and then you can read the content. The next item is homework. I'm not going to talk about homework now. Okay, let's go to the next one. Actually, it's the third section in the module. So when you go to that, yes, you have the textbook. It is, you can read you can do the reading for linear function. And once you do that, you will be directed to the first Desmos activities, okay? So this activity, you can read the instruction for the activity, and then you can click here, look, you click on this link, and then you need to click on this link, and then you will be directed to, okay, because I clicked on this before, it asked me if I want to continue. But if it is your first time, it's gonna ask you to enter your name. So you're gonna please enter your real name, and then you click continue in order to do the activity. Maybe I show you another one. Let me go back to content modules. For example, let's go to this one. This Desmos activities. You click on this link, and then this one. You see, for example, I haven't touched this activity. So it asked me to enter my name. Please make sure you enter your full name and your real name, because whatever you enter here, that's gonna be the name I see, and your grade will be based on that. So please make sure you use your real name. It's gonna assist me in terms of grading. Once you enter your name, you click go. And then you can see the activity, okay? So please read the instruction, answer the question. Once you do that, then you can go to the next one. So in this one, there are 10 parts. This activity has 10 parts, and you need to complete each part. Again, don't worry if you answer something wrong. It's not based on correctness. It's based on you trying to do this activity in order to be prepared for the in order to digest and understand the topic, and also be prepared for the homework assignment. So for example, in the first module, let me go back to the first module. So in the first module, we have one Desmos activity here, right? So there is one here and one here And the last one is for the last section. So the first module, there are 3 Desmos activities, right? And if you complete those, then you are showing your participation and you will receive the grade for participation. So as you see, participation has 10% of your overall grade. How you can get that 10%? By completing the Desmos activities every week. Um, and the deadline is that everything is due Sunday of the week, but the first Desmos activity, just the first one, make sure you do it by Wednesday midnight. In this way, you are showing me that you have started working on the content of the module by Wednesday midnight. So just the first Desmos activity, make sure you submit it by Wednesday midnight. For the rest, you have time until the end of the week to complete it. For homework assignment, we are going to use MyOpenMath, but it's integrated into Blackboard. So there is a link, you click on that link and you can see the homework assignment. Each section, so if we have 5 to 6 sections every week, that each section has a homework, so there will be 5 to 6 homework assignments every week. And let me show you some of them. For example, in the first module, once you read, let's say you want to work on the first one. So first, you need to read the textbook, read the examples, try some questions on yourself. And once you feel like you are ready, you click on homework 1.1. So this is the first homework. So this is the first homework, and the instruction says that this is on section 1.1. If you want, you can read it. So if you want to read it again, you can click here to read it. But if you want to start the homework, you need to click here, click to launch. So I'm gonna click here, click to launch, and then press launch. And then here you see the instruction that this homework is on section 1.1. It has 15 points. It's due Sunday, June 27 by midnight. And then you can press start in order to start the question. Start the homework. So you can work on the question one by one. So for example, the first question, go to the next one, go to the next one, or you can like select, I'm going to do 7 now. And then I'm gonna go back to 5. So you see, you can navigate between the questions of the homework, right? And what should I tell you about the homework? So for the homework, let's say you do the, let me see, question 2. For example, evaluate this polynomial for this given z, d, and w. So you enter your answer in this box, and then you can submit your question. As you can see, this is my first attempt. 1 point is possible. This is one try on this question is remained, and but I have, you can get a similar question 99 more times, because I mean, let's say I'm gonna enter something wrong, let's say 5. I'm gonna submit the question and it's wrong. It tells me that it's wrong, and my score is 0 out of 1. But I'm not gonna give up. I'm gonna try a similar question. I mean, it's up to you. You can go to next question, but if you want to get a good grade, then you may click on get a similar question. So it gives you a new version of the same type of question, and then you can try to do it. And it's like a restart. So it gives me a chance. And I have, and look, if I do it wrong, let's say I enter another one. So again, it's wrong. I can still click get a similar question. You see, now I have 97. So each question, you have 100 attempts on each question, which means that even if you enter something wrong, even if you don't get it wrong, you can try a question 100 times by trying a different version of each question, okay? So that's it. Just do each problem, enter your answer in the answer box, and then press submit. And then once you're done, you are done. Okay. So that's about, let me go back to Blackboard, let me go back to the course. So that was about homework. Let me go back to syllabus. So every week, every section has a homework. Make sure you do each one of them, and you can always come to office hours, ask me questions. But because there are many homework assignments for every week, I strongly recommend you to start on the assignment ahead of time. Do not procrastinate. Do not leave all the homework assignments for the Sunday, because you would not get it done. And due dates are very important. I make sure you complete the homework assignments by the deadline. I just wanted to show you one more time that please pay attention. Once you click on each module, which means this is everything for the first week, right? Every section has a homework assignment. So for example, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 section. So there is going to be 6 homework assignment. So this is the first one, right? And this is the second one, homework 1.2, homework 2.1, homework 2.2, homework 2.3, and finally homework 2.4. So do not forget that each section has its own homework assignment, and you need to complete all of them by the end of the week. As an example, so this is the last homework of the week. So again, I'm going to do the homework assignment 2.4. Click, you need to click here, click to launch, then press launch. And then you see it says that this homework is on section 2.4, point slow form. You can also click here if you want to for example, you need to review the section. You can click on this link in order to get to this section of the textbook and read the section. And then it's due Sunday, and then you press start. And then you can start working on the home problems of these um, homeworks. And some of the question like this one has video help. For example, here this question has a video. You can click on the video, watch the video, and get additional assistance with doing the problem. Okay, so I just wanted to emphasize on the fact that there are multiple homework assignments every week, and you need to plan ahead and manage your time in order to do them. It's homework in total worth 25% of your overall grade. So make sure you do your homework properly. In addition to get the grade for homework, it's gonna prepare you for the midterm exam and final exam. So in terms of exam, we have 2 assessments, 2 exams this semester, midterm and final exam. Midterm is gonna be, it's gonna be online. You will have 24 hours. You will have on a scheduled day. You can start your exam anytime on that day. But once you start your exam, you have 2 hours to complete it, and it's gonna be on Blackboard. The midterm exam is gonna be on the based on the first 3 modules. But final exam is going to be over everything. It's going to be cumulative over the whole semester. And the format is similar. On the day of the final exam, you can take it anytime during that day. But once you start it, you will have 3 hours to complete the exam. And finally, there's going to be a project, and I will provide more details about the project toward the end of the semester. The deadlines in this course are very important. Make sure that you will submit your work by the deadline, and you will take the exams on the date that is scheduled, because there is no makeup exam or makeup or way to make up unless there is an emergency situation. You definitely need to contact me as soon as possible in order to inform me if there is an emergency case, and we will talk about the possible ways for possible makeup. Okay, so a quick overview of the course schedule is that we are going to we have 6 weeks, because this is, please pay attention that this is not a regular semester. This is not a 12-week semester. This is a 6-week semester. So we have to cover the entire textbooks during 6 weeks. Every week we complete one module. So we have module 1, module 2, module 3. Once we finish module 3, we are going to have the midterm exam, which is going to be on Monday, July 12th. And it's going to be available from morning till midnight. So that means on Monday, July 12th, the exam will be available to you guys. Once you start the exam, you are going to have 2 hours to complete it. After that, we are going to study module 4, module 5, module 6, and then finally, we are going to have the common final exam, which is over the entire semester. And the final exam is going to be on Wednesday, August 4, from morning till midnight. Again, the format is the same, which means that the final exam will be available on Wednesday, August 4th. You can take it anytime during the Wednesday, but once you click on the exam, once you start the exam, you have 3 hours to complete and submit your exam. So that was the big picture, main and important points of the syllabus. But if you want to study the full syllabus here, again, you can click here to download the syllabus. And in this Word document, you can get all the information about the course, required textbook, course format, the tips to be successful in online setting, course communication, the ways you can communicate with me. The best way is to sending me emails. And here you have the schedule, the grading, course assignments and assessments. Technology requirement, you need access to a laptop. Pay attention. The homework assignment, the links is not going to work on a cell phone or tablet. You definitely need to have a computer or laptop. And if you don't, please borrow, you can borrow one from Gottman. You need a reliable internet access and a current internet browser. I would recommend you to use either Google Chrome or Firefox. What else? I recommend you to study the rest of the syllabus to know about the class expectation and policies, and that's it. Yeah. So this is the entire syllabus, but here for a quick access to the main things of the syllabus, which is the class information, course module schedule, grading, assignments and assessments, and also tentative course schedule. You can find them over here. Okay, so that was about the syllabus. So every time you go to the course page, on the first page, you can see, read announcements and my communications with you guys. You click on content module, you can find the modules. On Monday, every Monday, I'm gonna release one module, and once you click on the module, you can see several sections, something between 5 to 6 sections. For each section, you will be directed to the textbook, so you have access to the reading. First, do the reading, and then if there is a Desmos activity for the section, do the activity. Otherwise, do the homework assignments. And make sure you complete all the activities and homework assignments of the weeks so that you can get the grade. Okay, the first activity that I want you guys to do is, the first assignment for you guys is that to go to discussion board and introduce yourself. So on this assignment, I want you guys to introduce yourself to class, say few words, you can say something about yourself, whatever you like. You can either create a short video and post it here, or you can just simply write your introduction and introduce yourself to me and to other students. You need to post your introduction by Wednesday midnight. So I'm waiting for your responses over here. And the way to do it is that you click on introducing yourself, and then you click create thread, and then please type your name, and then over here you can either write a message, or you can attach a file, or you can attach a video and introduce yourself to the class. So this is your first assignment that you need to do by, you need to post your introduction by this Wednesday, by Wednesday, June 23rd by midnight. And again, if you need to contact me, you can click email Professor Qaderi and then send your message using here. Okay, that was about it. And thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, concern, anything, feel free to contact me and I will get back to you guys as soon as possible. Mm, Thank you for watching this video, and I'm wishing you a great and successful semester.